Good morning, Reynolds family. Today is Monday, April 6th. Welcome to episode 2 of our Tech Training Roundup series.
I'm Kim.
And I'm Kevin.
And we make up technology training services here at Reynolds Community College. We hope adjusting to the new norm of teleworking is becoming easier for you to navigate.
As always, all website and videos referenced here will be linked in the video description below for your convenience. As indicated in episode 1, our tech training tutorial page contains video tutorials and guides that cover questions on common software used at the college, including Canvas and Zoom. If the support material does not provide answers, please reach out to us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu rather than email either of us directly. This allows us to tag team and track common issues to serve you more efficiently.
The Quick Access Guide is still available for face-to-face instructors who have moved their courses online. This guide contains essential information for both the Canvas LMS and Zoom. The resources provided include 24-hour phone and chat support, as well as Reynolds faculty online mentors and their contact information. You can find the Quick Access Guide in our most recent email communication, as well as on the Tech Training website. Additionally, our student technology support page has been updated and is located on the reynolds.edu webpage. Here are some of the top questions we received last week.
Number 1, how to enable Zoom in Canvas. For instructors that wish to host Zoom meetings in the Canvas environment, we recommend enabling Zoom in the course menu. This gives students quick access to all your scheduled Zoom meetings and cloud recordings. From your course menu, navigate to Settings, and then click on the Navigation tab at the top. Locate Zoom from the bottom list, then drag and drop it to the upper. Be sure to click Save at the bottom of the page before proceeding. You should now see a Zoom link appear in your course menu. It is here where you can schedule a new meeting, view upcoming and previous meetings, set your personal meeting room settings, as well as view and share your cloud recordings. You also have access to Zoom trainings at the Get Training link provided here. Any new meetings you schedule here will show up for your students in their Zoom menu link. Conveniently, Canvas will also send them a notification about the newly created meeting and add it to their Canvas calendar. And that's how to enable Zoom in Canvas.
Google Voice. Numerous faculty have asked about conducting office hours and advising appointments via the telephone. Forwarding your office line to your personal cell can be problematic when calling students back if you don't wish to display your personal number. Google Voice is a free virtual phone service that offers a local telephone number to use on a mobile or landline device for business calls. Setting up Google Voice number is easy and takes just a few steps, including registering for the service, choosing your number, and deploying. Here are a few things you need to know. 1, you will need to use or create a personal Gmail account. At this time, our VCCS Gmail accounts do not accommodate the Google Voice feature. 2, Google Voice allows you to choose a number to provide to your students where they are able to leave messages on separate voicemail. 3, you are able to use your Google Voice number through your computer's browser for making and receiving calls and text messages. And by linking your personal cell phone number, you can utilize those same features by downloading the Google Voice app. 4, in order to decrease spam activity, Google has deactivated the feature of voicemails sent via text to your mobile device. However, transcribed emails will be sent to your Google account notifying you of voicemails and texts through Google Voice. The 6 easy steps to obtaining a Google Voice number is provided below this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu. And now for the Tech Training Tip of the Week.
This week's tip covers Zoom security and privacy settings. Many of you have heard the term Zoom bombing in recent news. Zoom bombing occurs when a video conference meeting is disrupted by an unintended user who shares inappropriate or hateful images and threatening language. Unfortunately, an instructor at Norfolk Collegiate recently experienced Zoom bombing. To protect your next Zoom meeting, we recommend adhering to the following guidelines and best practices. Avoid using your personal meeting room for public meetings. Do not make meetings or your classroom publicly available. Do not share Zoom links and passwords with anyone other than the expected participants. And be sure to use the most up-to-date version of Zoom. Some settings we recommend you enable in Zoom: password protect, disable join before host, enable a co-host so you can assign others to help moderate the meeting, and allow only signed-in users to join. This will prompt and require them to sign into Zoom via their MyVCCS account. During a Zoom meeting, we recommend the following settings and procedures to maximize privacy. Lock meeting will prevent anyone new from joining. Remove participant will allow you to remove any unwanted participants. Disable video will allow you to disable a participant's video, or similarly, put on hold will temporarily disable both a participant's audio and video connections. Mute participants will disable all audio connections except your own, and disable screen sharing. Another recommended feature is the waiting room. The waiting room is a virtual staging area that provides you control on who to allow access to your meeting. More information about these privacy settings and detailed instructions on how to set up can be found on the Tech Training Zoom tutorial page.
And that's your tech training tip of the week. If you have any tip suggestions yourself, please feel free to email us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu. And if you have any questions or troubleshooting issues, please reach out to us also at technologytraining@reynolds.edu.
This is Kevin
and Kim signing out.
Be safe.
Be well.
And we'll see you in the next Tech Training Roundup video.